Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the rotation of your TCL 27G64. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So click here, now click on the menu, and right here, go to the setting. Now scroll down until you see the rotation, and here you have it at 90. You can also change it. It's very hard to actually manage those settings now, but here after you try it for a while, you should get used to it. And as you guys can see, now you have him right here. So it's very weird now, but that's how you guys can change your rotation. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.